So natural methods work on principle of avoiding chances of ovum and sperm meeting. Okay, periodic abstinence is one of the method in which the couples avoid or abstain from coitus from days 10 to days 17 of the menstrual cycle when ovulation could be expected. Okay, so natural method like periodic abstinence. So we know that during the days 14 or 15 or 16, these days are so much important for the act of ovulation. If the couple will be restrained, the couple will be retained from coitus during these days from 10 to 17, that will naturally interrupt. Okay, that will naturally interrupt their child. So this is called periodic abstinence. Remember that periodic abstinence is a natural mode of use of birth control, that is to avoid the sex within 10 to 17 days to avoid pregnancy. As the chances of fertilization are very high during this period, it's called fertile period. Therefore, by abstaining from coitus during this period, conceptions could be prevented. Conception means, students, pregnancy. Okay, so withdrawal or coitus interrupts is another method in which the male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before the ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. Okay, periodic abstinence means to avoid sex during the 10 to 17 days, or to avoid the coitus during 10 to 17 days. And withdrawal methods is also called coitus interrupts. So what is coitus interrupts? Male partner will be withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation. Okay, so as to avoid the insemination. These are two methods. The next method is lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea refers to the absence of menstruation. Is a method is based on the fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition, because delivery of the baby will lead to the breastfeeding for around 6 months, and during these 6 months there will be no chance of pregnancy naturally. Why? And therefore the cycle do not occur in this period of intense lactation following parturition. Therefore, as long as the mother breastfeeds the child fully, chances of conception are almost nil. However, this method has been reported to be effective only up to maximum a period of 6 months following parturition. Parturition means delivering out of the baby from the uterus. As no medicines or devices are used in these methods, side effects are almost nil. Chances of failure, though, of these methods are so also high. Okay. So lactational amenorrhea. Why, students, lactational amenorrhea? How it is going on? How it is working? We know that the female hormone oxytocin is released during the parturition, or that is also called fetal ejection reflex. Due to the release of oxytocin hormone into the bloodstream, oxytocin will be give negative feedback to the pituitary for the secretion of FSH and LH. If the synthesis of FSH and LH will be inhibited, there is no chance of again menstruation up to the 6 months after the parturition. That is called lactational amenorrhea. So we discussed 3 things. The one is the first one is periodic abstinence. The second one is coitus interrupts, and the third one is lactational amenorrhea. These are natural or traditional methods of birth control. Okay. Periodic abstinence, coitus interrupts, and lactational amenorrhea.